These were really cool from what I remember. You can see up into Swiss Family Robinson up in there. We're heading down to Davy Jones's locker. Davy Jones's locker. The cave does look really cool inside here. There it is, Davy Jones's locker again. It's twinkling. They do have quite a few of the walkways actually closed down. Guess we can go this way. There's the Adventure Isles. I'm heading up to Skull Rock. There it is. You can see outside. Here's looking out the eyes and nose.